Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To open a publication, you must first know where the publication you want to open is located. When you initially open Publisher, you can see a listing of recently opened publications appear in the panel at the left side of the startup screen under the Recent section. You can open one of these listed publications by clicking its name within the panel to reopen it. However, if the publication you want to open is not shown in this listing, you can click the Open Other Publications command within the panel to reveal the open category within the Backstage view. If you are already working within Publisher and wish to open another publication, you can also display the open category within the Backstage view by clicking the File tab within the ribbon and then clicking the Open command that appears at the left side of the Backstage view. At that point, you can see the locations within which you can look for the file to open displayed to the right of the command panel in the Backstage view. If the file that you wish to open is saved on your OneDrive online storage account, then click the OneDrive choice. If the file that you want to open is located on your computer, then click the This PC command. You will then see any recently accessed folders within your selected place listed at the right side of the screen. You can click one of these folders to open the location within the Open dialog box. If there are no folders listed within these sections, or if the folder you want to open does not appear, then instead click the Browse button to launch the Open dialog box where you can select a folder to view. In the Open dialog box that appears, navigate to the folder location you want to view. Within the selected folder, you should see an icon for the file that you want to open. To open a file from the selected location, click the icon for the file, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternatively, you could simply double-click on the icon of the file shown in the Open dialog box to open the file. Also notice that if you are trying to open a recently accessed publication, you can select the Recent command within the list of file locations shown in the Open category of the Backstage view. You can then click on the name of any recently opened files that appear in the list to the right of the command panel to reopen them. Doing this replicates the Recent category shown in the startup screen in Publisher.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.